Guys, check out this beautiful sunrise right here as I'm driving. Nice and bright and early. That's right. I wake up extra early, but it's all for you guys. I appreciate you sticking around with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, smash the like button, leave comments below, and don't forget to get your merch at shopexhaustnote.com. Either way, we'll be on our way here shortly. We're going to meet up with Colby, and I'll be back. What's up, fam? Yep, we're almost there. As you can see, the sun has come up, so that's good. So just in the middle of this drive, we got a little bit of sunshine, which is always nice in the state of Florida. We got no clouds, clear skies. It's gonna be a nice day. A little cool out this morning, lower 60s, but as soon as that sun breaks out, we'll get some warmer temperatures. This drive behind Colby, though, man. Those crackle pops that freaking V10 gives off is ridiculous, man. Let me know if you guys can. Let me know if you guys can hear this. Yeah, that sounds sexy. We have arrived. We have arrived. There's mad people here, as you can see. They're everywhere. Alright, so they didn't have any parking for us. We had to park in the back. Never an issue. Either way,
it's the first time
we had to park the cars in the back. We gotta hide the Lambo and the M3.
Right. Neon yellow.
Let's put the neon Lambo in the back where nobody can see it.
It's next to the Big Factory.
It's not. Oh, that's right.
We're at Big. There's Big right there.
Right next to you.
I wonder if they make a mark. Wonder if they make a mark. You think they make a marker in your color?
They do actually make a marker in my color.
They probably do. They probably do. Oh, we got some nice cars here, man. Hey guys, check out the Rolls-Royce truck. As if the car wasn't already big enough, they make an SUV. Oh, it looks pretty sick though. Gotta give it to them. That's beautiful. We like that. Hey, I don't know how they got this here, but it's pretty sweet. Somebody brought a Indy car.
Yeah, we park in front of my halfway here.
Park inside it.
We'll be there Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'll be there in the morning.
Let's walk around the other side. I think they got a LaFerarri here somewhere. We're gonna have to find that one. Check out the 458 Italia. One of those would be nice. Well, 458 Italia is pretty nice.
The Eagle.
What's that?
Bro. See the Eagle? There's a bald eagle over there.
Where?
Right here.
Let me go check it out. He's like the star of the show right here. Look at this. This is America. at its finest right here.
It is.
Oh, he's doing tricks. He's a trickster. He's a trickster.
Neon Lambos in the back.
Is that why they had the American Eagle? American Eagles back there? American Muscle? Yeah, I go back to the car, get some batteries, and the Lambo was surrounded. Like, everybody was
Of course.
I know, it's like, oh, sorry guys, it's all the way in the back.
Get your cardio in.
Get your cardio in to check out the neon yellow Lambo. Renting the good location, DuPont, baby. DuPont Registry. It's their parking, their little garage. And the first thing you see, VW. Well, that's impressive. That's turbo. No, that's just one of the employees. Oh man, look at this showroom floor. This is a little bit better than my garage, I think.
That freaking Mercedes truck is so dope.
Look at this truck. This is sick, man. This thing is huge, man. Look at this thing. Let's go around here.
Dude, if I was a rapper, I'd have one of these.
The G550, baby.
Have you seen the one that's my color? They wrapped it.
No. Is it neon yellow? For real? Whoa. Look at that. Look at that right there, huh? We like that Ferrari right there. That's the big money. The LaFerarri? Yeah. Hybrid tech, baby. Yeah. I will say, this is my first time seeing a LaFerarri in person, actually. Yeah, it's my first time. I've never seen one. Here we go. I'm a vlog rookie. There's always a beginning, right? You gotta start somewhere. Yeah, I like that truck, man. That thing's sick. Nice. It's crazy. That thing's gorgeous. Look at the Charger. Check this out. It comes with its own like logoed up Ferrari Charger. Like, is that what they are? I thought they were more than that. They're about 2 million, 2 or 3 million. Hey guys, comment below if you know exactly the price of some of these LaFerraris. Hey, first LaFerrari. Hey, check this Audi's drop, V10. Well, not that. The V8.
This is beautiful. This thing's hot.
V8s are price low.
Oh, I like this.
But the V10,
he could go a little bit more in the back.
Yeah, a little bit lower in the back. That little bit of gap.
This thing's nasty, bro.
A little bit of gap right there.
I like the white, man, because you know you could do that and then.
This one's manual.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah. It says Lamborghini shifter.
Oh man, look at this.
Yeah, dude, that's so fun.
Yeah.
Manual.
My old Lambo was like
manual V10.
my Gallardo.
I gotta get one of these. These are good. We gotta get one of these for the channel. That's pretty sexy. We like that one. The GT2 in all black, little blacked out GT2 right here. That's nice. Nice little GT350. I think we ran out over there. Oh, check out this army truck. It's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I think somebody started something up. What do you guys think? It's actually for sale. Should we get it for the channel? Superlaggera would be nice to have. It's pretty sweet. racing. Interesting.
Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, I appreciate you.
brother.
Thank you. GT2 right here. We got a Aventador in front of us. I can hear it. Look at this guy, huh? Trading cars. I love it.